Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is day 3 of 5 days of videos featuring products from the new Stampin' Up! January to April mini catalogue. We're going to feature a couple of products in here. I'm going to be featuring this cute stamp set and die, which is on page 42. It's the Lovely and Sweet bundle. I'm just going to be using that image right there, plus the little die flower cuts. And we're also featuring designer series paper that's from the Celebration promotion. So this promotion runs up until the end of February 2024. When you spend more than $110 with me in New Zealand, you can purchase, or not purchase, you'll qualify for a free item from Celebration. And the paper I've used actually for this little box we're going to make is the Most Adored Designer Series paper. It's 12 by 12 and it is really pretty paper. It's a very easy little box to make. I'm featuring Flirty Flamingo in this one. I'm going to change up the colour here. This Most Adored paper comes with different designs. I love plaid, but this one we're actually going to use the Flirty Flamingo and Real Red as the design, as the base. So I've got the front and the back. So let's go ahead and get it made. It's really easy. And I've put the descriptions and the sizings and all the products I've used in the description bar below. So let's go ahead and bring in a piece of cardstock. Now I'm using, as I said, Flirty Flamingo, and this measures 7 inches by 4 3/4. Grab your Simply Scored tool, and on the long side you're going to score at 2 1/4, 3 1/4, 5 1/2, and 6 1/2, and then turn it and score at 1. Grab your bone folder and fold and burnish. Alright, so grab your paper snips now, and you're just going to cut away that small rectangle at the bottom there. So just that one. And then I'm going to cut up to the horizontal line. We're going to cut these vertical 1, 2, 3 vertical marks, vertical scores I should say. Just cut up to there. And then what I like to do is just fold these ones up, the small tabs. And then I'm just going to wedge these larger tabs just a little bit. Just helps the box to go together a little bit easier. Okay. Alright, grab in your adhesive. I'm going to use a tear and tape. Pop your tear and tape down that narrow piece, and just remove that one. And then all you have to do is fold over and secure that down to where that score line is. And that's the box. That's that side part of the box made. Turn that up for you. Very easy box to make. Fold in those flaps, and then we're going to put some adhesive on each of these. Just use some Stampin' Seal. Oops. Doesn't quite what I, there we go. And then, oh, I just ripped my paper there. That's not good. Come on, Stampin' Seal, work with me here today. You can use liquid glue if you prefer. And I always like to have that back seam at the back of the box. So there's that folded seam. Fold that one down and then bring this one up, fold down, bring that up. And that's it made. It's a good size. It's a good size box. You'll get quite a few little treats in there. Now, when I made this, I kind of felt maybe I'd gone a bit Christmassy blingy, but I think once I change the colour up, it won't look quite so Christmassy. It might look a little bit more Valentine-y if that's your bag. I've got no sentiment stamping on here, so it can be for any occasion really. I think it's cute. Alright, that's the box made. That's all we have to do. Now, before we go any further, I'm just going to put my ribbon on there now. Now this ribbon also is in the mini catalogue, and it is Sweet Sorbet, and it's a good size. It is 1/4 inch. So it's a good size ribbon. So it's cut off a nice generous piece here. And the reason I'm putting this on first is because we're going to be adhering our designer series paper over the top. So I'm going to, I want my bow to be on the side. So let's just see. I know I normally do this at the end, but alright, just want to make sure it's right over on the side. Okay, that'll do for now, I think, she says. I could fuss with the bow all day, right? You know how it is. When you're getting, you want your bow to be just right. Look, I'm going to put the designer series paper on so I'll stop fussing with that. So I've cut 2 pieces of that paper out using the deckled rectangle dies, and this piece of the glimmer paper is also cut using the deckled circles dies. Really cute. I mean, you could just go with put a piece of Flirty Flamingo in the background there if you didn't want to have it sort of so blingy looking. I don't know, I felt like a little bit of a bling. So let's pop that on the back of here. The other side is cute too with the hearts, right? So let's put that on now. And we'll go ahead and we can do our stamping and die cutting. That's the back of the box right there. Okay. Liquid glue is your friend when you're making adhering designer series paper, I think, to a box. This size rectangle, the deckled rectangle, is like a perfect fit, really. All right, let's put that over there to one side while it's drying and go ahead and do our stamping. So we're just going to stamp that little image right there, this is the stamp set. It's very pretty. And I'm going to stamp it in pecan pie, just on a piece of scrap basic white. I'm going to do a little bit of colouring with it. Go. And I'm going to bring in a couple of blends. I'm going to bring in my Flirty Flamingo. So I'm going to have the Flirty Flamingo, I'm going to go within my dark, and I'm just going to put a strip down where those vein lines are, I guess you call them. And then blend that out with the light Flirty Flamingo. Just like that. Nearly done. I'm not doing any colouring on the stems. Just going to leave that in pecan pie. I think it works. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in what colour is this one? This is actually Lemon Lolly. This is the dark Lemon Lolly, just for the pop of colour there on the bright, a little bit there as well. And I'm going with wild wheat, this little bit down here. There we go. I think that looks cute. Now I've already gone ahead, so you'll die cut that with this really pretty die, really cute little die. Just to save time, I've gone ahead already and die cut it. So there it is there, already done for us. Now these little flowers, they're so cute, right? They are also in the set, and you get four of these little dies. There's no stamp that matches them, but they're just the little dies. Aren't they just cute? I just think they're so cute. So I've gone ahead and already die cut them. And I've layered one on top of each other because there's a larger one and a smaller one, because they're a little bit fiddly, but I've kept one out here to show you how I did it. So just going to grab, this is my take your pick tool, and what I did was use these glue dots. Now these are the glue dots that come in kits that we have. So each kit will generally will have a sheet of these glue dots, and they're just perfect for this because they are the right size. You could use your liquid glue, but that can get a bit messy. Take your pick tool, and I'm just going to center it, off center them. So there we go. Okay, and there you have it. It's easy to put together, right? Now I've put some bling using the festive pearls in here. Look, honestly, you could put them in or leave it out. I don't know, I think it looked cute. I felt like a little bit of extra bling, so why not? All right, let's go ahead and pop this one on here now. So I've already put dimensionals on the back of that one. Put it on here, just in the center. All right, let's go ahead and adhere. Actually, let's put this on here first, and then we can adhere it all at once. Some more dimensionals on the back. Really easy to make, good size and a good size box. So you can add a sentiment at the end if you want to, depending on what you're using the gift box for. Right, so just there. I think I'm preferring it with the lighter coloured background paper, actually. I think I am. It looks a little bit less Christmassy, doesn't it? Oh well. All right, let's pop these, let's put our little flower embellishments on. Now, what have we got here? There we go. I might change this up a little bit because I've used different colours, haven't I? So let's put one there. Or shall we go that way? Just have a little bit of a play around here. You know what? I'm going to go with how I did it on this sample. So again, I'm going to use these little adhesive back dots from the kits. Just much easier to use. You don't have to worry about your liquid glue going where it shouldn't go. And yes, they do fit on, it will adhere to this specialty paper. Like I said, I've put links to the description bar, in the description bar below, for the products I've used. So I hope that you have a click on them and pop into my Stampin' Up store and have a look, because this Lovely and Sweet bundle is really a really nice bundle. And I've just used it slightly differently today with that little, the addition of the bling. Oh, hang on, I put the wrong one there. Talking too much, right? That goes there. These are a little bit, these little flowers are, you know, they're a tiny bit fiddly to put together, but not too impossible. And with the Take Your Pick tool, it makes it super easy. So there you have it. Oops, a bit of extra we don't want in there. I'm going to put some liquid glue on the back. And put that on here. Just get that nice and straight. These deckled edge dies are so pretty. Alright. And the festive pearls, which you will find in the online store. They're still there if you pop the code in. Like I said, I've put a link in the description bar below. I'm going to put them on here because why not? Still got a whole sheet of them. And they are so cute. And yeah. Why not, right? Why not? These were in the holiday catalogue, I think. But yeah, I checked before I made this video and they're still available. So if you like them, then there you go. You can get them. Right. Come on there. There you go. And there you have it. That's it. That's all there is to it. I think that's really cute. I think I actually prefer, I do prefer this one. Oh, hang on a minute. We haven't finished our bow. Let's just make that a bit friendlier there, a bit nicer. Let's go with that. All right. What do you think? Do you like that? I think it looks cute. If you'd like to check these products out, I have put, as I said, a link in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Stamping Mary, that's MERRY @gmail.com. Thank you for watching and have a really good day. Bye.